So this is ITBU Week 4, video number 2, starting at slide 13. So the next act I want you to know about is, again, a provincial act, and it's the Employment Standards Act. So it applies to people in Ontario, and it's to ensure that there's a little bit of fairness, or there's supposed to be fairness in the workplace. So we all, I'm going to go to the next slide. We all have the same rules about the number of hours in a week that people can work. So what is a standard work week? How long do you have to work before you get a break? How long do you have to work before you're allowed to have a lunch break? What is the minimum wage that people in Ontario should be earning? So take a look at this act, and these links go right through to the sections on the act. And look at the slides here about minimum wage, hours of work, and think about maybe where you've worked, and tell me if those Employment Standard Act rules, regulations, laws are enforced. And hopefully we'll have a little bit of time during class to talk about if those rules are enforced at your workplace and if they aren't. And maybe we'll try to figure out why sometimes you're more likely to work in a place where the employer abides by those rules, and in places where maybe they're interpreted through a different lens. So when you think you understand and know enough about the Employee Standards Act, take this check for understanding.